the fund that we got from this joint program between the universities and the French Embassy, the France-Canada Research Foundation, proved to be essential for developments that occurred 5 years later. Back when we received the money in 2004, it allowed us to make a few really simple trips. You know, I went to France a few times, and a couple of French researchers came here. But we managed to, out of that money, produce five peer-reviewed papers in international journals, without actually spending more than that $10,000 in total. It funded an incredible amount of work. But most importantly, it actually set the idea for ideas. We had a place where we could think about how to develop a future. So it gave us a joint moment to consider what we could possibly do in the future. And then we essentially sat back and waited for other kinds of funding to occur. We had a good story, we had an interesting possibility, but what we needed was bigger funding. And when that rolled along with the joint NSERC, Agence Nationale de Recherche partnership program, then all of that hard work that we did under that France-Canada Research Foundation actually bore fruit. You could say that it planted the seed, and out of that seed grew this really mighty project where we have, I think, $500,000 from NSERC, and we have close to $350,000 from the Agence Nationale de Recherche, and it's going to lead to a wonderful project that I think employs postdoc, 2 PhDs, 5 master's students, you know, and it's going to turn out some really wonderful research. So all of it started with very little bit of seed money. The nice bit is that we joined forces with an incredibly powerful French team of researchers at 2 national institutes in France, both of them associated with INRA, one in Orléans, the other in Avignon. And to tackle a problem that is joint, that is virtually global, which is the transfer of seed parasites that, you know, eat up the seed produced by trees. And you could say that this partnership between France and Canada, that was essentially created with the France-Canada Research Foundation monies.